Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Really appreciate you stopping by. So listen, Netflix has an excellent job out there waiting for you. And so you might be one person that is out there. You might be driving home right now and you are sick and tired of your job. Or you might just want to change your career. Or you might just be someone actually looking for a job. Listen, I got the job for you. But I also want you to know, if you're going to land this job, then you need to ensure that your resume is up to par. So I want you to get your resume kit down in the description. And if you don't know how to put it together, book an appointment with me. And so we can get this thing going, you understand, and get this whole thing rolling for you. Now, this job is actually paying between 100 and 720,000 US dollars per year. Yes, I want to say it again. Between 100 and 720,000 US dollars a year. So let's go. Let's jump right into it. Now, this job is a software engineer, a training platform, machine learning platform. Okay, it's a big name, but pretty much, okay, the qualifications for this job is very, very, very simple. So you will need to experience in ML, and ML simply mean machine learning, engineer on production system dealing with training. All right, that's one. Proven track record of building and operating large scale infrastructure, experience with cloud computing providers, comfortable with ambiguity, and work across multiple layers of the tech stack. Yes, adopt and promote best practices in operations. Yes, excellent writing and verbal communication skills. Comfortable working in a team with peers and partners distributing across the US. Let's look at the preferred qualifications. You need to understand modern and real world machine learning model development. Two, familiarity with cloud-based, that's AI, ML services, example, SageMaker, all right, Bedrock, all these things you can actually learn. Experience with large-scale distributed training, and also expertise in the area of generative AI. And so before we again, just look at not just how much they are paying, but some of the other benefits. I want you to know that what you need to do is to get your resume kit, all right? And also, if you don't know how to put it together, book an appointment or a consultation with me, and we will get this thing done. Again, this job is actually paying between 100 and 720,000 US dollars a year. Not only that, but I want you to know that Netflix provides comprehensive benefits, including health plans, mental health support, a 401k retirement plan with employers match, stock options program, disabilities program, health saving and flexibility saving account. Listen, if you want to land this job and I know that you can do it, book your consultation, get your resume kit, believe in yourself, and let's go, all right, and achieve this together. Let's do it.